Hello students, today I am going to continue with the same topic, that is tangent and normal. Today we will discuss very important questions. Question number 21. Question number 21. Question number 21. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which are parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. The normal is parallel to this line. Normal is parallel to this line. Correct? We have to find the equation of normal. This is equation number 1. The situation is like that. This is the curve and this is the normal, and normal is parallel to this line. Normal is parallel to this line. Correct? Can you tell me the slope of this line? Slope of this line. Slope of this line, that is formula minus a by b. It means you can say minus 1 by 14. This is the slope of line, and you know that line is parallel to normal. Line is parallel to normal, and if two lines are parallel, then their slope equal. It means what is the slope of normal? Therefore, you can say slope of normal is also minus 1 by 14. Correct? Now, find the derivative. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. The derivative of 2x is 2. This is the derivative of function. This is the slope of tangent, and this is the slope of normal. And you know that tangent and normal both are perpendicular to each other. And already you know about the formula: if two non-vertical lines are perpendicular each other, then product of their slope minus 1. Very simple. Therefore, according to the situation, you can say 3x square plus 2 into minus 1 by 14 is equal to minus 1. Because formula you know, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Yes. Again, you know that this is the slope of this tangent, and tangent is perpendicular to the normal. Tangent is perpendicular to the normal, and tangent is perpendicular to the normal. Both are perpendicular each other. Therefore, the product of the slope minus 1. You can say product of the slope minus 1. 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. Correct? 3x square is equal to 12. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4. Therefore, x square is equal to 2. बोलिए बोलिए सर बोल एक x is equal to plus minus 2. Therefore, put x is equal to 2 in first. Put x is equal to 2 in first. Therefore, y is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. That is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 18. You can see the point of contact 2, 18. Clear? When you put x is equal to minus 2, then the value of y minus 8 minus 4 plus 6, that is minus 12 plus 6 minus 6. Therefore, you can say minus 2 and minus 6. Minus 2 and minus 6. These are the point of contact. And now you can find the equation of normal. Equation of normal y minus y1 according to this point. Y minus y1 is equal to slope of normal, minus 1 by 14 and x minus x1. Clear? This is the equation of normal, and further you can simplify. And the second equation, with the help of this, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by 14 x plus 2. These are the two equations of the normal. Correct? This is the solution of this question. Clear? Question number 21. Now we solve question number 23. Now we solve question number 23. Question number 23. Prove that the curve x is equal to y square and x is equal to xy is equal to k cut each other at right angle if 8k square is equal to 1. Two curve x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut each other at right angle. Two curve cut each other at right angle if, what is the condition? 8k square is equal to 1. This is the question. Clear? And you know that two curve cut each other at right angle. Two curve intersect at right angle. You can say if the tangent to the curve, at the point of intersection are perpendicular to each other. At the point of intersection are perpendicular to each other. Two curve intersect at right angle if the tangent to the curve at the point of intersection are perpendicular to each other. Now, how can you solve this question? Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of x is equal to 1, and the derivative of this is 2y dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx you can write 1 upon 2y, and from here differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now here apply product rule. X as it is, the derivative of y dy by dx plus y as it is, derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of k is 0. So from this relation you can find dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Minus y by x. Suppose this is equal to m1 and this is m2 minus y by x. And you know that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Suppose both tangent are perpendicular to each other. We are collect. Suppose then the product of the slope is minus 1. Right? And with the help of this relation, we have to prove this. Now, you know that what is the value of m1? 1 by 2y into minus y by x, that is minus 1, y to y cancel. Here by cross multiply you can say 2x is equal to 1, therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. And put in first equation. When you put the value of x in first, then y square is equal to 1 by 2. And therefore, taking square root both sides, y is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Correct? This is the value of y. This is the value of y. Now put the value of x and y in equation number second. Now put the value of x and y in equation number 2. The value of x is 1 by 2 and the value of y is 1 by root 2. That is equal to k. Cross multiply. 2 root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 k is equal to 1. Now squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides. 2 root 2 square, that is 8, k square is equal to 1. Okay. When you put minus 1 by root 2, the same situation. Squaring both sides, you will get 8k square is equal to 1. Clear? This is very important question. And you can solve this question with another method also. Correct? Suppose by taking left hand side m1 into m2, you can prove m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Right? How? Left hand side, that is m1 into m2, that is when you simplify minus 1 by x. Another method of this question solving. For this we have to find the point of intersection of both the curve. Solving equation number 1 and 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2. Find the point of intersection. X is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. Put the value of x, put this value here, y square, then y square into y, that is k, therefore y cube is equal to k, therefore taking cube root both side, yes. Now put the value of y, put this value here, put in first, you will get k to the power 2 by 3. Therefore, the point of intersection you can say k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. point of intersection. Clear? So you can apply here. What is the value of x from here? What is the value of x? This is the point of intersection where both curve intersect. You can put the value here. Put the value of x. The value of x is k to the power 2 by 3. K to the power 2 by 3 minus 1 upon. You can write like this: k square whole to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by. Put the value of k square from here. Put the value of k square 1 by 8. 1 by 8 whole to the power 1 by 3. 1 by 8 whole to the power 1 by 3. When you simplify, minus 1 upon, this is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. It means minus 1. Therefore, you can say n1 into n2 is equal to minus 1. If the product of both slope is equal to minus 1, it means you can say both the tangents are perpendicular to each other. Hence proved. Clear? Now we solve question number 25. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root 3x minus 2, and the tangent is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and the slope of this line according to the formula minus a by b, that is 2. Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Very simple question. Find dy by dx 1 upon 2 root 3x minus 2, and the derivative of 3x minus 2, 3. Right? This is 3 by 2, and put the value of root 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 value y. You can write here y. Right? And this is the slope of tangent, and this is also the slope of tangent. According to the question, both are equal. 3 upon 2y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 3 by 4. Yes? And putting first 3 by 4 is equal to root 3x minus 2. Squaring both sides. 9 by 16 is equal to 3x minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 16 plus 2. 16 to the 32 plus this 41. 41 by 16. Therefore, x is equal to 41 by 48. Therefore, point of contact, you can say 41 by 48, 3 by 4. Therefore, equation of tangent. That is y minus y1, and slope here on 2 x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. Clear? Then today your tangent normal complete. Now revise exercise 6.3. Clear? Thank you.